Season 14 on Rollercoin is drawing to an end, so it's very important that you do take some action. Let's check out what you should be doing right now before the season ends, and we'll dive into some of the new features that we can expect in the new season. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so it's time for the end of Season 14, and we'll welcome Season 15. And at the moment, there are a few more days remaining. To be exact, at the time of recording this video, there are around 3 days remaining for the end of the season. On my screen here, you can see here at the very top in the banners that the season will end in 3 days. Spend your RST before the season ends. So this is very important. At the moment, for example, I have 3,730 RST. I had already spent a lot of RST, like 15,000, to buy the one of the most powerful miners in the season store, which was the balcony hasher, as you can see here, and that was 15,000 RST. Now I've reaccumulated some more, and obviously I opened part cases as well during the season, so I could use those parts to be able to merge my miners. So at the moment, with 3,730 and 3 days remaining, I'm just hoping that in these 3 days, I can potentially get up to that 4,400 and get the Granny's Miner. So I'm going to hold on until the last day, but very important that you don't forget to spend the RST, because with the start of the new season 15, all your RST will be wiped and will come to zero. So don't forget to use it before the season ends in 3 days. You can potentially open parts cases and merge your miners. You can buy one of these miners, maybe you don't have enough to get the Granny's Miner, and you'll get 2 of the organic power ones, and then you can merge those. Okay, just a couple of ideas of what you can do here. There's also the secret barn case that you can open up here and try your luck to see which miner you will get. For 750 RST, you could potentially get the Zombiner with 5.2 petahash per second if you're ultra lucky. Now, what I wanted to talk about as well is what we can also expect in the new season, some of the new features to get us all excited. There was this Diaries blog which was announced around 2 weeks ago. Basically here we're getting some inside information as well of what we can expect. So the race events we've already seen on Rollercoin, those have been going on. I think there were already 2 race tournaments, and they're pretty fun as well. You can get some extra rewards just for doing simple tasks like playing games. Depends on the quest that they give you, but normally it was playing games and buying some tokens, meaning exchanging your crypto to RLT is what I saw. So basically that is the race event. So you can go through this blog. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you haven't seen it already. So expeditions. So here's the biggest addition to appear in the coming months. So this will probably be in season 15. We're diving into the world of hamsters. Yeah, you heard right, hamsters. But forget those furry little critters running on a wheel. We're talking about a brand new in-game mechanic. Soon you'll be able to collect a vast variety of them, dress them in all sorts of gear, and form your very own hamster squad. Picture it, a squad of armed to the teeth hamsters ready to take on the world. You know you want in on this action, right? So here you can see a little screenshot of what the Rollercoin team are talking about. So we can expect to see this in the coming months, hopefully in season 15. You got a little hamster there. It looks like the handsome hamster from RollerTap. And it seems like you'll be collecting, and you can dress them up and get your own squad of hamsters there on a nice expedition adventure. So here it goes on saying that you can unleash your furry fury, the expedition mode, and you'll send your hamster on a daring adventure diving into unknown territories, and best of all, snatching up loot along the way, as we can see in that screenshot. It all happens on autopilot, by the way. So exactly, you can take it easy while your hamster goes to work. There's no need to constantly monitor them. They're perfectly fine embarking on their expedition on their own. Your hamster keeps on moving forward even when you're not in the game. It's like giving your hamster the freedom to explore and then return with treasures just for you. So that's pretty neat, isn't it? Yeah. So looking forward to this one. We'll see what that brings. Achievement. Here's the deal. We've got a bunch of cool tasks lined up for you. So here it looks like, yeah, you can do a wide variety of cool tasks oriented on in-game activities, collect an impressive collection of achievements, and earn sweet rewards alongside. You can see in the screenshot here, there's a couple of examples of what can be done. So crafting, achievements, miners, task war games, at all achievements, currency. So we should be expecting all this with the new season as well. It might not be from day one, but it should definitely be during the season. Some more information there as well. So if you're completing a wide variety of tasks there, you'll be rewarded accordingly. Cube Labyrinth minigame. First of all, the game was actually designed by our community member, Ravel. Well done, Ravel, and thank you for this one. We're looking forward to the new game that I briefly mentioned as well. So it looks like that you'll be in this labyrinth maze collecting cubes, but obviously you need to avoid this laser here, okay? You're gonna need to get around the cube and avoid the laser. This looks like a teleporting device of some sort. And you've got like maybe 40 seconds to be able to complete it. And you'll need to hold on to at least one life to be able to do this, okay? So you hunt down every last one of those big cubes, you race against the clock, and you hang on to at least one life. The next season is shaping up to be most future dense to date, so we're so excited about that, and so are we. Oh, and of course the new season is coming soon, so we know it's coming in 3 days. More details later, but what the Rollercoin team can confirm here for sure is you will get much more power. So we'll see what the season will turn out to be. Awesome, looking forward to it, and I hope that you look forward to it as much as I do. Remember to spend those RST before the season ends. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.